Okay, so for this video, we're going to learn how to create a project on Unreal Engine. So your Unreal Engine version should have downloaded by now. So you're gonna click Launch on the one that you selected. Okay, so it's gonna take a second there to initialize. Let's just give it a few seconds for it to launch. Okay, so once that is done, let's give it here a second. Okay, so now once that is done, you're gonna get a window like this one. Here is where we're gonna create our projects. Okay, so here, if you go to games, you can have like a starter project for depending of the type of game that you're gonna work on. The most common ones are gonna be first person and third person that we're gonna work with, or either just like a blank. But as you can see here, you can start your project, right? Once we create our projects, we can just go to recent and then we can just load the project that we already have been working on. But right now we're just learning how to create our very first project. So we're just gonna go here. So we're gonna go ahead and create a blank project. And then here, you're gonna get two options, Blueprint or C++. So this is something we're gonna cover later. So don't worry about this for now. You can just leave the defaults. You can just leave Blueprint, Desktop, and Maximum. Just leave it with the default values. Okay? So we're gonna create a blank project, and here is gonna be the location of where that project will be at. So I have it here under this folder location, but for you, you might want to choose another location. Then you can name your project here. So for here, I guess I'm just gonna call it my first project and then create. Okay. So once that is done, Unreal Engine is going to create this first project. So again, it will take a few seconds for it to like actually load up. So let's just wait for it. Okay, and now this will be your first project. So by default, you might get something like this where there's like kind of like a default map going on. But I just want to make sure we start like from the very beginning from scratch. So once you're here, you can go here on File, and you're gonna go here on New Level. Okay, so New Level, and now here we can choose what kind of level we're gonna be creating. So let's just start with basic. We're usually just gonna start with like a basic kind of level. So let's go here, create. And then this will be where we're actually gonna be doing all our work. Okay. So just for you to like be aware, a level is basically gonna be where we're gonna be developing our game. So for now, just make sure you get to this point. You create your first project, go to File, New Level, and then choose Basic, and then you should have something like this on the screen.